What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys seen the last video. We delivered our gold Road King out in East Oakland, man. That thing was freaking dope. I'm glad my guy Otto's got the bike, but it's time to keep this show on the road, man. You guys already know we got that Road King back there. We dropped off our paint set like last week sometime, man. And yes, man, we headed to LA after we left Oakland and stopped by Antonio's to pick up this paint set. So now it's time to see what this thing is looking like, man. I can't wait to see what this color is looking like on this paint set all together. It's time to get the Road King set on the Road King so we can ride that thing for the first time. Check it out, get it looking good, man. We got a whole lot to do on the bike, so I'm gonna give y'all a rundown in a second. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 14 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Time to get this show on the road, man. I've been waiting for this for so long. Every piece is here. All the pieces for my Road King is here, and my pieces for my Road Glide is here, man. So can't wait to get these things situated. The wheels are still in LA, but by the time we finish both of these bikes, it'll be time to slide to the city, get them things mounted up, bring them back and get them on the bike, man. So literally a couple days away from getting these things completed. Let's get right into it though. Here we have it, guys, our 2014 Road King, man. We scooped up not too long ago. Our paint set we did drop off at Antonio's a couple weeks ago. Now we finally got the parts back. It is time to get this thing cleaned up, looking good. Time to get this thing looking like something I would ride, because before it was looking like something I definitely wouldn't ride, man. You guys see the white walls, man. You guys seen the wheels at the end of the video, in the last video, if you guys stayed in that long. If you guys haven't seen the wheels for this bike, oh my God, man, you got to go over there and check out the last video to see the wheels, man. That thing looks crazy. But meanwhile, we got all our parts in stock. I'm gonna just show you. We got all our paint pieces, man. So I'm gonna unwrap all this stuff. We have our chrome lowers up there for the bike. We have this piece has been missing for a while. We got that piece. It is gray now, so can't wait to throw that on there and get that all situated. And then I don't know, man, we'll check it out. Let's just get all this stuff unwrapped first. Alrighty, guys, we got most of it unwrapped. You guys see it here. Let's see. I guess we can take a bag in the sun. Let's hold on that thing tight. Ooh, wait, the sun hit that thing crazy. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Looks really good, man. I like that color. That's a nice little color wave right there, if you will. Definitely pretty nice. Here's the headlight trim. Looks really good. I really like the side covers. You know, those are like my favorite, like, piece. You can always like just get that feel for it. Definitely looks really nice. I'm digging it. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. This bike is definitely about to get the works. It doesn't look like nothing at all right now, but I can guarantee you it's gonna look pretty sick. Now we do have our gray like saddlebag like latches or whatever, and then we have both of the tops here in gray as well. Looks really good, and definitely my style, man. You already know how I'm coming. The cups over there, I didn't want to unwrap right now because we got to get the legs, so we're gonna take the legs off and stuff today. I'm gonna do the back and stuff first. Actually, I'm gonna take the legs off first and just get that out the way. I don't even want to start putting nothing on it really until I get it all. I don't want it to tip over or nothing like that with the forks off. So I think I'm gonna get the forks off first, take them, Once we get them back later on today, we'll start putting that thing together. So we'll probably jump on this one first. But since we right here, man, let's pull this thing out, pull it up on a stand, get these forks off, take them to Harley, get the chrome lowers swapped on there because we do have the lowers here. So we'll get those swapped on there. So once we get them chrome lowers on, everything else will pretty much just flow right into place. The rear fender bags, we got new like saddlebag guards and stuff like that too. So this bike is gonna come together. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so now that we got our forks off in good shape there, we can take those with our chrome lowers here. Get these bad boys switched out. Meanwhile, while that's getting worked on, we can come back here, get these cups switched out, try to get some more parts switched out on this bike. So when that does come back, it'll be that much more ready to go. But let's get to Harley before it get too late. Alrighty, man, we done dropped off our fork legs off at Harley. I can't wait to get those things back. John said just about an hour or so, maybe right under 2 hours or so, we should have them things back, man. So I'm gonna head back to the crib, get the rear fender assembled, and then get the bags assembled. We should be able to get those on. If not, we'll be picking the forks up, and then as soon as we get back, we'll be able to throw the rear fender on there with the bags and the saddlebag, like the saddlebag guards and all that stuff, man. So all that stuff has to be assembled. So let's go do that right now. Just made it back to the crib. I guess we can pull this thing off. I really wasn't trying to move it around too much while I was on a jack with no front end, but I guess I'll strap it down and hope for the best. Guys, so I got that rear fender off of there. This is the old one. We don't need nothing else off of here. We should be good there. Meanwhile, we just got to put our turn signals on this one and our little mounting brackets. So let's get our turn signals because I almost forgot them. Now I got the rear fender all assembled and everything. However, our turn signals for it, I actually think this light has a turn signal in it already. I have to mount it up to see. But anywho, I can't even mount these up because I don't have those two screws back there. So I have to wait to go back up to Harley to finish off that rear fender, but we can assemble the bags and get those one step closer to being done. Because once again, when we get those forks back, the whole bike is going to be like literally completed in a little bit. So no big deal, but we'll keep going. Alrighty, now that our bags are done, complete and together, literally just need these bushings. I don't know if Antonio gave them back to us or not, but everything else is pretty much plug and play. Now we can unwrap our gas tank and get that dash set up on there. That'll be the next thing, and then after that, it's pretty much smooth sailing. like that. We got our gas tank all ready to go. It's looking real good there. We got our bags ready. Got the bushings and everything in there. So now we gotta get our freaking saddlebag guards put together. That's the last thing, and I believe they are in this box right here. Alrighty guys, we got our rear fender on that bad boy. Now I was gonna wait on this because we don't got our turn signals. We do got our turn signals, we don't got the bolts to actually hold them in place. However, I gotta take this wheel off anyway for my new rim, so I'll still be able to get back there whenever we do get the bolts. I'm probably gonna try to get them today when I go pick up the forks, but we can probably finish this thing off now, throw our bags on there, side covers, gas tank. Probably not the gas tank, just because we'll have a lot more room without it up there, but at least we'll get to see what it looks like. Just like that, y'all, she finally looking like something. Got our gas tank on there, dash and all that good stuff. Looks really good. Got our side covers, got the bags on there. This color is looking really good. Looking really good. Now I gotta go get some more like some saddlebag latches. Like I literally have none. And then the ones they have in here, you don't want to use those anymore. You want the screw-in kind, man, so we don't lose our bag. So gotta go get another set of bag latches or whatever you want to call it. We also got to get some bolts for our turn signal. And then after that, we should be more like right. Then we can actually put our cups on, our color cups real quick, because these is gonna be going. And then I'm over here thinking I'm doing something, man. I didn't freaking jump the gun, took the wrong dang cup to the freaking painter, man. These are like cups from a 2013 Harley. They do not fit the 14 Harley. So if you guys take a quick look here, you guys see the newer style ones. They have that little flange and stuff right there. It's just all around like bigger. Like this one can literally almost fit in there. So not the right ones, man. So we're not gonna be able to get this thing completed today, unfortunately. But at least now we know, I guess, right? Alrighty guys, we got this place cleaned up. We got both bikes looking presentable now. They looking good. It's looking like a Charlotte Hornet or something right now up in this joint, man. We got the greenish, the purplish type of look. Now I did tell you we did get our little top piece back for this. Meanwhile, it looks like we're missing like a little rubber piece, man. So I think Antonia forgot to give us some of our pieces back, because I know if I put that on there, it's gonna be like a tight gap, if you will. But all in all, man, both of these things are coming together slowly but surely. A lot of running back and forth, but we'll be getting this thing done real soon, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I am digging it. This color came out sick. Literally just need a few parts to get this thing tidied up, but for the most part, it is A1. Meanwhile, back at Harley, got our chrome lowers here. Time to load up and get back to the crib, man. Back at the crib and got the forks on there for the time being, guys. Our freaking sliders is painted. However, these are for like 2013 and below, so definitely not going to help us there. So we got to go take our other cups, the ones that came off, and then we had another one that was undented, so we're going to take those to either get powder coated or painted. Going to see how this powder coat may look, because that may save us some time. If not, hey, we just got to wait. But We do got the screws for our turn signals, man, so I'm gonna pop these joints in there, or at least see how we can get it done and figure it out. Meanwhile, I did get the turn signals and stuff on there. Y'all let me know if these things blink or not before I put them, tighten them all the way down. So I'm gonna look at the video and see what y'all saying. Now our turn signals aren't working. I'm thinking it isn't a bulb in here. I don't know, I gotta see, I gotta pop these open real quick. That could be the only thing I can think of. I don't know, we'll see though. Alrighty, we got that thing on all twos, sitting under its own power right now. We got both bags on. We did go get the saddlebag screw on joint, so these bags won't be going anywhere. We did get our turn signal on there. Have to tighten it up a little bit. We're gonna wait till we take the wheel off so we can get more room back there without having to take the rear fender back off again. Now the turn signals aren't giving me no power right now. I don't know if it's like the bulb or what in there, but we'll figure that out momentarily. Y'all see it here first, man. Let your boy know what you think about it in the comments below. Little bit to go, but literally it's just a bunch of minor stuff now. So maybe on the next video we'll be tackling this front end and trying to get it situated. Meanwhile, tomorrow we'll be getting everything situated with this. We got to take the whole fairing and everything off of this, because I believe if you look at it, you can't really see it, but if I look at it when it's straight up, it kind of looks bent, like the same piece that was bent on our green bike. So got that already. It's the neck piece, got that already. We'll be switching that out. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. What you guys think about the new color on that Road King, man. I can't wait to bring this thing out in the sun and see how it's looking. The wheels for this thing is gonna kill it off. Really gonna bring it to life, man. I can't wait. We do have a bunch of little things to get done on this, but nothing too major that we can't control, man. So I can't wait. You guys haven't entered the giveaway for either my Road King or my 2020 Road Glide Special, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Can't wait to get these things on the road. I'm gonna give it about a 2 or 3 more solid days of working on these beasts, and they will be done, complete, and on the road, man. So if you guys haven't entered, man, head over there right now, go get your entry. Meanwhile, man, I'm gonna go freaking clean up. I've been out here working all day, so I'm gonna have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.